What's up, my beautiful peeps? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we'll be making some coconut cake, aka TOTO. So let's get straight into it, guys. So here I have some freshly grated coconut. You could use desiccated coconut if you don't have any freshly grated coconut, no pressure. Here I have some brown sugar, some melted butter, some coconut milk. Here I have 2 cups of coconut milk. Here I have some self-rising flour. I'll give you an alternative to the self-rising flour. And here I have some soaked fruits that has been soaking for a while. It's optional. My vanilla, some cinnamon powder, and here I have mixed spice. The mixed spice is a combination of ground ginger, ground nutmeg, and cinnamon as well. So guys, let's start it on the wet part, the wet ingredients. So to my bowl, I'm gonna add 2 cups of coconut milk. I use canned, and I'm gonna add my sugar. And guys, I will leave the recipe down in the description box and the measurement, so you could feel free to check it out. I just added some melted butter and my vanilla essence. And I'm going to mix to combine the sugar and the milk to dissolve the sugar properly. And now to this, I'm going to add my freshly grated coconut to my batter or my mixture. Oh my God. So guys, let me know what you guys call it. Coconut cake, TOTO, I don't know. Just tell me the name that you guys grew up knowing it as. And as I said before, I'm using self-rising flour here. But if you don't have self-rising flour, you will need 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And that would be your dry ingredient for your TOTO. And also, I will leave it down in the description box as well, just in case you forget what I just said. I'll leave it down in the description box so you could feel free to check it out. And I'm going to give this a good mix. Now guys, you just want to mix this until just combine, because I mean, we're using self-rising flour. It's nice and have a lot of leavening agent. We don't want to mix this too much to develop the gluten. We just want it to combine just enough. It might look thick, but trust me, it's a moist piece of cake. I can tell you that. It's delicious. And guys, it's also quick, simple, easy, vegan friendly. Did I forget any niceness? Did I forget anything, guys? Yes, it's everything. It's quick, it's easy, and did I mention vegan friendly? So if you're vegan and you want to have a nice piece of cake without the eggs and all of that, this is your recipe. And I'm going to add my soaked fruits that has been soaking in wine and rum. Now guys, this is totally optional, but you know, us country people, us Jamaicans, we like to add a little bit of booze into every little thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So guys, we're just going to mix this well. You could just add the raisin without the alcohol. Or you could just totally leave it out if you're not into dried fruits or stuff like that. And there you have it. Our batter is nice and ready to make our coconut cake. So here I have 2 baking pan. I floured and greased. I greased with coconut oil and floured it lightly, so the cakes will slide out of the pan ever so easily. No hassle. So I'm just going to fill these up halfway, because we don't want to put too much in the pan. And guys, if you have reached thus far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button and turn on the post notification bell that says all so you never miss any of my upload. And also remember to give this video a big thumbs up, and also leave me a comment down in the comment section. And also guys, share my video, I highly appreciate it. So guys, here I'm just gonna knock the pan to get out any of the air bubbles or air pockets inside of it, and also to get a smoother top. So we're just gonna shake it until it's even in the pan, and we're gonna bake this for about 45 minutes to an hour in a 350-degree oven. And this bakes for about 50 minutes, and there you have it guys. Our TOTO is ready, aka coconut cake or coconut cake, aka TOTO. Let me know which way you call it. Yes guys, the aroma from this is like amazing. And there you have my beautiful peeps, our TOTO is ready. And also guys, let me know in the comment section what you like to have your TOTO with. If you like to have it with a cup of tea, for snack, for breakfast, for lunch, whatever, just let me know what you like to have your TOTO with, or what time of day you like to have it. So I removed it from the pan, and I'm going to allow it to cool somewhat. Guys, I did not wait for it to cool completely. So it was a little bit still warm when I cut into it, but trust me guys, it was amazing. So guys, you could try this recipe, and if you try this recipe, you could tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen and let me know how yours turn out. And that's it, my beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.